Hi, I'm John Locher with the Country Depot in beautiful downtown Brooksville. The history of this building, it was a Sinclair gas stations in the 1930s. Other businesses that was a part of this building was Bresman's pawn shop. And I started it about 7 years ago and embraced the history of the gas station and the downtown Brooksville and the beautiful South Brooksville Avenue that we have right next to us, the brick road. And it's a very historical site and building, and I'm very happy to be here. Well, when you come into the Country Depot, we are friendly to everyone. We are like family. Our brand is all about the small business of old school time. You come in, everybody knows everybody, we have conversation, but the main theme of the store is a gift store. It's very unique and has different items, anything for everybody, from sports to Bigfoot to collectibles. There is nothing you can't find in here. Has a little personality and hopefully a small business and an old downtown feel. Our sports room, created by me, being a child, going to my first football game in the 1970s, the Tampa Bay Buccaneer. I've been a football fan, sports fan, and when I started the business here, I wanted to create a unique sports memorabilia in Brooksville, which we didn't have at the time. So I created a sports room. We have autographs, we have history, we do all teams. Everybody can come here and get a feel of what it's like to be an old school fan and a new school fan. And we provide that, and we talk about history, so that's how the sports room got started. So then we have the gift shop area, which we have country theme. We have the mermaids, because we're on the Mermaid Trail. We have the nautical, and then we have gifty things, and then we have things of personality, all kind of signs. And we can either make you laugh or make you cry in between, but at least when you come and walk through my store, you will have fun and it will be entertaining. Okay, so what we do is a few days a week, I have a hot dog guy, hot dog cart. He's very unique, one of a kind. We play music, and what we're trying to do is bring a small town feel, unique, different atmosphere to Brooksville with the music, and it's went off really good. We draw a lot of crowd, they visit downtown, and everybody gives that mojo feeling that we need in Brooksville, that Brooksville is a small shining star here. I would like to take a moment and invite everyone to come to Brooksville and experience the beauty of Brooksville, the history and the community spirit that we have, that we want to allow you to experience. And you can follow me on my social media, and then also you can experience us on Florida Adventure Coast. And come on down, we will treat you like family, and we hope to see you really soon.